In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Outlook. If you live in ClickUp for tasks and rely on Outlook for your schedule, connecting the two keeps everything in one place and reduces double booking. We'll walk through the built-in ClickUp integration for Outlook Calendar so your dates stay in sync. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser and signing into the workspace you want to connect. Make sure you have permission to manage integrations for that workspace. If you're part of a larger organization, your admin may control this. Inside ClickUp, open the grid or waffle icon to access the app directory. This opens a panel with available extensions and integrations. From here, choose Apps. This is where ClickUp lists official connections you can add to your account. Use the search bar in Apps to look for Outlook. You'll see multiple Microsoft options, but you want the Outlook calendar integration. This one connects your calendar. It's different from the email add-in that helps you turn messages into tasks. Select Outlook Calendar to open its details page. You'll see a short description of what syncs and any notes about permissions. When you're ready, press Connect. A Microsoft sign-in window will appear. If nothing pops up, temporarily allow pop-ups for ClickUp. Choose the Microsoft 365 or Outlook.com account that holds your calendar, then consent to the permissions so ClickUp can read, and, if you allow it, write calendar events. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish setup. Typical prompts include selecting which Outlook calendar to sync, confirming the ClickUp workspace, or space you want to link, and choosing the sync direction. One-way from ClickUp to Outlook, or two-way so changes reflect in both places. If your company restricts external apps, you might see an approval request. In that case, ask your admin to enable the ClickUp Outlook calendar integration. Once you confirm the choices, save the connection. After the integration is connected, your ClickUp tasks with due dates will start appearing on your Outlook calendar based on the rules you chose. Two-way sync will also create or update ClickUp items when you move or edit events in Outlook. Give it a moment for the first sync to complete. Large workspaces can take a few minutes. To change settings or disconnect, open the waffle icon, go back to Apps, and open Outlook Calendar. That's it. You've connected ClickUp with Outlook Calendar, so your tasks and time can finally work together.